Hello everyone, welcome to Super20 Institute. Today we will discuss this question that came in CBSE Maths exam. So let's understand the question firstly. Our question is, in figure, ABCD is a rectangle. So here is a figure given to us, A, B, C and D. It is a rectangle. Now find the value of X and Y. So we have to solve this question for X and Y. So how to find the values of X and Y? Firstly, in this rectangle, we have also given the sides of this rectangle. AB is equals to 30 centimeter. BC is equals to X minus Y. CD is equals to X plus Y. And DA is equals to 14 centimeter. So, let's start the solution of this question. As we know that ABCD is a rectangle. Firstly, write like this. ABCD is a rectangle. Then, as we know the property of the rectangle, the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Here, AB is the opposite side and CD is the opposite side, right? These are the opposite sides. AB is equals to CD. Similarly, BC is equals to AD. These are also the opposite sides. So, that's why they are equal, right? So, write like this, AB is equals to CD, or we can write like this, CD is equals to AB. Similarly, the next opposite sides are also equal. AD is equals to BC, or we can write like this, BC is equals to AD. Now we will put the values given to us in this rectangle, the value of CD and AB. The value of CD is X plus Y and the value of AB is 30. So if they are equal, the values should also be equal. X plus Y is equals to 30. This is equation number 1. And BC is equals to AD. That means X minus Y is equals to 14. This is equation number 2. Now, we have to solve this question for X and Y. We have to find the values of X and Y. So, how we will find it now? Now, we have these two equations. Add these two equations. When we add these two equations, we will get the value of X. So, I'm going to add it. Add equation 1 and 2. We add the equations. Add कीजिए x plus x. We will get 2x. Here is positive y, negative y. They will cancel out. Next 30 and 14. It will comes 44. So the value of x will be 22. In this way, we will solve for x, right? Similarly, we will find the value of y now. How to find the value? So, substitute this value of x in any of these one equation. We can put this value in equation number 1 or we can put this value in equation number 2. So, I'm going to take equation number 1. So, put the value, substitute it, x in equation number 1. So when we will substitute the value of x in first equation, that is x plus y is equals to 30, I'll get 22 plus y is equals to 30. So how to find the value of y? Y is equals to 30 minus 22 and the value of y will be 8. So in this way, we will solve the values of x and y.